Bindery Lady, the favourite, just ahead of Our Royal Demon. Set to run there, racing. Takapo Tango, slow to leave. Empress of Ireland began fast and goes towards the lead with Secure the Sky, and Saxon Susie's driving up there also in the early stages with Irish Vivian, Seattle Bow, Bindery Lady. Fergie's Pride is next, then followed well back in the field to Takapo Tango on the inside. City Bells is next, followed by Sneaking Around as they come off the back, and Our Royal Demon's last. Secure the Sky is the leader as they head off the back. Irish Vivian around the outside goes to second. Empress of Ireland gets a lovely run third. Then followed on the outside to Saxon Susie. Bindery Lady next, starting to improve from Fergie's Pride. To Capo Tango getting right up on the inside from Seattle Bow. And then followed Our Royal Demon starting to make its move from the rear of the field. City Bells is back towards the tail, along with Sneaking Around. Around the corner they run, and Secure the Sky is just in front. Empress of Ireland goes up on the outside to challenge. Bindery Lady starting to come, but's got a bit of work to do. To Capo Tango, and here's Our Royal Demon down the outside. Empress of Ireland reach the lead, but Bindery Lady knuckles down and gets home. Bindery Lady gets up to win over Empress of Ireland and Secure the Sky. Our Royal Demon out wide. Then followed City Bells making ground from Takapo Tango. Next in we had there to Sneaking Around. Well back in the field then Seattle Bow, followed in by Saxon Susie, Irish Vivian, and Fergie's Pride has run last. Well, we said with 200 metres to go, Bindery Lady had a bit of work to do, but she knuckled down and did it brilliantly and quickly gobbled up Empress of Ireland and Secure the Sky. She's a very smart type, Bindery Lady, and Daniel Stake brings her home a good winner there.